Hey there, welcome to the Elvehjem neighborhood. My name is Mark Gladuestoppedby with Lauer Realty Group, and today I'm at this 2,600 square foot, 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath. This is one of Madison's most popular East Side neighborhoods. The home features a massive primary suite with an enormous walk-in closet and beautiful bath. On the main floor, you've got this great open concept living space with 4-season porch and living room. And then down below, in the lower level, you've got the perfect space for that aspiring musician or for your home entertainment space. Come on inside, let's take a look. Thanks for taking a tour of this awesome house. And you'll also notice that it's in close proximity to Elvehjem and Acewood parks, all of the schools, and Madison's own Metro Market. As always, we're glad you stopped by.